Let's talk about money-making moves or money-saving moves you can make today. We got a couple of moves on the desk. Jim, you're selling genuine parts. This might be a first reference to genuine parts on halftime ever.
Well, you know what? I'm not going to linger on this because I don't have anything negative to say about it. And my superstar analyst, Ralph, probably wants to kill me for doing this anyway. But look, I needed the money to buy something, all right? Genuine parts has been fine. I don't have anything negative. I own General Motors, so I've got enough exposure to the auto space. But what I really wanted to do, Brian, is I wanted to buy On, the running shoe company, okay? And folks, this has nothing to do with the employment report. I'm not making some call that people are, and I'm not making a joke either, getting laid off and going running shoes, if that's their first purchase. But this is a very innovative company. It's a rapidly growing company. It's one that I can get behind. I like to run. I don't run as far or as fast as I used to, but I like to run, have a pair of On shoes, and they're really up and coming. I think they are where Lululemon was many, many years ago. They're building out their retail presence beyond shoes. Good growth rate ahead of them, and I'm excited for it. Do you hear the excitement? Because I'm excited, Brian.
You are excited.
Okay.
I'm excited that you're excited. You're not a Hoka man. You're
infectious.
On Cloud, I think is the
Hokas.
shoes. What's it? They want AutoZone?
Yeah.
Are you a buyer of AutoZone?
Listen, I think the commercial business
sell parts, genuine parts, makes parts.
Yes,
because parts is
yes.
parts.
So their commercial business continues to grow. I like what they're doing in the Latin American countries. People are holding on to their cars longer. Obviously, that's an interest rate story, which interest rates are.
You've seen my car.
I have seen it. So, yeah, I would be a buyer here. I would be a buyer.
So we own AutoZone, O'Reilly, that whole trade down necessity thesis in that space.
Is that a counter-cyclical trade? Bad times, people might hold their car even longer than they already are.
And expensive financing. There's a whole host of reasons as to why they'll stay in their cars longer.
And so the auto parts, maybe even kind of like an Apple, a place to hide in a way.
They've done really, really well. Both these companies that focus on that space have done really well.
Well, let's stay sort of in the big industrial space because, Bryn, you're all in on copper.
Yeah.
Buying more Freeport-McMoRan.
Yep. This was actually my final trade early last week. I like the stock here. I bought it at 45. I think it's at like 43 and some change. It's got really strong support here. But what I did is I added to the stock, but then I sold the January 50 calls. I got $3. And so for a little less than 5 months, I'm going to get 6.5% yield and call premium. Plus I have 11+% upside from my 45. So if it gets called away, I'll have made 17%. If it doesn't, in the meantime, I've created a 6.5% yield for 5 months, and I'll do it again if it doesn't get called away.
Yeah, look, the commodity space has been challenged. I applaud you for going in right now. I mean, this is what you want to do. You want to buy when it feels like it's not a good time to buy. I'll leave you to, devise the call strategy, and I actually hope that it doesn't get called away and it just slowly rises. Maybe you write more calls. But the simple truth is the commodity space, particularly metals, has been pulverized. It's a good time to buy.
Yeah, and if you believe in the electrification of the world, you better believe in a lot of mining because they're going to need to dig a lot of holes at some very far-off places to dig out all that copper.
Doesn't matter if it's
to build the power lines.
If it's iron, yes, you're going to be building things. If you think we're going into a recession, maybe this isn't your purchase, okay? But if, like me, you think we're in a normal summer correction and that there's growth ahead for the global economy, particularly as central banks across the world cut interest rates, commodity prices are likely to rise.